Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. In this video we are going to talk about a very good problem, which is airline restrictions of September challenge 2021. In this problem, I will not share the code of this problem because the contest is already running. I will just share the hint and the logic behind the problem. Here's the problem. So basically what is given here, you have Chef has 3 bags, which has A weight, A kg, B kg and C kg. These are the weights of the bag. And Chef has to place two of these bags in the check-in and wants to carry one bag with her. Okay. So the problem is that there is some restrictions in the airport that the bag the chef should carry should not exceed E kg, and the bag the chef should checked in does not exceed D kgs. So we have to find that it is possible to take the 3 bags in the flight or it's not. So basically you have to do nothing. So I have just seen the summations of this problem, that there are so many incorrect summations also. So the problem is that you are using any other logic, but there is simple logic. You have to first check that you have to, for example, you have to first check nothing. You have to first check that if I am taking this, if chef is taking the first bag with herself and other 2 in the check-in, then is it possible or not? If she is taking the second bag with herself and the other 2 in the check-in, then it is possible or not? And the last, if she is taking the 3rd bag with herself and other 2 not. This is the easy and the easiest solution we can have. So we will watch in the whiteboard. So what you have to do is here is just a minute. Okay. So you have to do nothing. You have to first, let's say there is A, there is B, there is C. Check for A. Let's say A is the bag C carries with herself. So if A is less than equal to E and B plus C is less than equal to D, this is the only solution. Then yes, and we have to check 3 conditions. Here it is A, then check for B. When A is B, here will be A plus C. Okay. And third, check for C. Here it is B plus C. And if all these 3's are false, then simply return no. And if all these 3 are true, any one of these 3 are true, then simply return yes. This is the only solution of this problem. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. So if you really like the problem, then please subscribe to our channel for more contest solutions like code forces, Codechef, add code, late code, etc. You can join Telegram for any doubt. You can also ask to in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.